All right, so looking at this matrix, we put it into the augmented matrix first. And then because we want to have the 1 in that first entry, because remember our goal is to have that diagonal of 1s with zeros going on there below. So we just interchange the rows. So we have that going on. So now the next thing that we want is for the 3 right here to turn into a 0, because we want the zeros down below that 1. So we use that 1 in order to eliminate it with that 3. So if we multiply the first row by -3 and then add that to row 2, it'll make our new row 2. So you can see that that is what's going on right here. And so what that really means is we want to take -3 times the first row. So if we do that, -3 times every entry here becomes -3, a +15, -9, and then +39. And then we're going to be adding that to row 2, which is 3, -14, 10, -31. So when we add those together, we get the 0 like we want. 15 and -14 makes 1, -9 and 10 makes 1, and then 39 minus 31 makes 8. And so you can see that this is what they have written here as our new row 2. Now the other thing that's going on is trying to make the 4 also turn into a 0. So again, we're going to use that first row, but this time multiplying it by -4. So you can see that going on there. So we're going to take -4 times that row 1 plus our row 3 to make our new row 3. So -4 times that first row will be -4. -4 times -5 is +20. -4 times 3 is -12. And -4 times 13 is +52. I'm going to write row 3 right below it. Oops, let me back up. The original row 3, which was 4, -4, -9, -35. We add those together, we get 0, 16. -21, and then 52 minus 35 will be 17. And so you can see this is that new row 3 that they have. Okay, so now once we have our zeros down below, so you can see this has that correct first column goal. So I'm going back to the very top up here. That's our first column goal. So the next thing that we want to do is make sure that we have a 1 there, which, we do. It just so happened that we had that 1. So awesome. So then we really just want that 16 to go away. So what makes the 16 go away? That would be a -16. So I'm going to use the 1 in that column. So multiply row 2 by -16 and add that to row 3 to make my new row 3. You can see that's the row operation that they have there. So -16 times row 2. So I'm looking, sorry for all the arrows. We're looking at that row 2. -16 times it would be 0, -16, -16. And then we have 16 times 8. Don't know that one off the top of my head here. That's 48. 8 plus 4 is 12, 128. Then we put row 3 right below it. That's 0, +16, -21, and then +17. And actually, I just realized it was 17. Let's see, hold on. 8 times -16. So that would make a -128. So let me fix my error there. So we combine those together, we get 0, 0, -37, and then -111. Which is what they have in that third row. So I hope that helps.